Hey everybody, this is Dee from Dee's Delicious Bites, and I'm back with another video. We are here at the Tandoor Cafe, and we are doing a mukbang on Indian cuisine. Today, we're both drinking some Riesling. Let's see if it's any good. Oh, it is good. So, when our food comes back, we'll tell you what we got. Until then, see you in a little bit. Everybody, we're back and we got our food. I have the biryani rice and some garlic naan, and my daughter has the curry butter salmon with basmati rice and some garlic naan. And we are going to get to praying so we can get to eating. Father God, we thank you so much for this day and for this food. We ask that you would bless it, that it may be nourishing to our body. In Jesus' name's sake we pray. Amen.
Amen. Shame on me, I was going to start eating.
Because you're great.
I just can't wait to taste it.
And she got hers like really super spicy, and I got mine middle of the road spicy.
That's different.
It's good, it's not hot.
Mine's like sweet and spicy.
And we're recording from our phone because we're not really allowed to record in here. So, we're sneaking. See what we're doing for y'all? Sneaking.
This is good. Wow.
How's that red sauce?
It's kind of sweet.
Is it?
But it's spicy. You taste the tomato and the butter. This is good.
This is good. This is different.
It is different.
Wow. Can't quite put my finger on the spices of it.
It's different to my taste buds, like, because we aren't used to eating all these different spices and flavors together. But it's good.
And this has got like raisins and cashews and...
So this piece of salmon.
I know what it is. I just now figured out what it is. It's cardamom. That's the spice that's very pungent. So I'm gonna put that to the side.
Oh, don't eat that.
I don't care for cardamom.
Well, if you don't, you know I ain't about to. This is good.
It's got big old pieces of garlic in it and almonds.
Yeah.
It's different. I feel like this needs some kind of sauce.
Yeah.
Okay, I like it, but I feel like it needs like a gravy or some kind
red
of sauce.
sauce.
It's good. Thank you so much. Like a red sauce or like a curry.
A curry sauce.
So I guess I should have got curry.
It's bread.
No.
It's a banger.
So if you guys tried Indian food, if you have, comment down below where you went. Where'd you get it from? This is the Tandoor Cafe in Westlake, Ohio.
It's been hot. It's been hot.
See, I got mild. And I got medium. And mine isn't hot. Oh, you're hot?
This is hot. No, I'm hot. It's making me hot. But it's good.
This garlic naan reminds me of pizza.
Yeah. I want to get Thai food.
For Thai food, we might have to go towards Cleveland. Because I can't imagine where we find it here. And that's going to be spicy. Isn't there a Thai food restaurant over where Ray works?
I don't know. But I've always had
I think there is.
this thing for Thailand and wanting to experience some good Thai food.
So you guys, instead of me cooking today, it's Sunday, I decided, let's go try Indian food.
That's really good.
And I'm glad I did. Now, why is there a nap in the wintertime?
Same reason why they be at the house trying to get me my wine. This is the type of heat that literally heats you up on the inside out. I am so hot over here in this corner.
You're hot because you got on that big old Santa sweater.
I don't like my sweater.
That sweater hot. That's what's hot. Come on, Nat.
Oh, my insides is hot. Thanks for the light.
I'm gonna have to order some naan to go. This is good. Really? Let me taste it. Ooh. The sauce is good. It's sweet and it's spicy. And it looks like it would be good on some rice. And it would.
Right. Right. Look at that.
That's good. Yours is hot. Mine's not. I said medium heat. There's no heat.
Yeah, it's hot.
I would definitely eat here again. And I would probably try something spicier, like way spicier.
Yeah.
With the curry.
I'm full. I'm full.
That rice gets you.
Mm-hmm.
And the bread.
Can't let this rice go to waste, though.
Not that good old spice on there. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Gosh, if you've ever tried Indian food, comment down below what you had. Some suggestions on some things I should try. I know what I was going to get and I didn't get. The, oh my goodness. Can't think what they're called now. Starts with an S.
Oh.
Samosa.
Yeah.
I want the samosas. But I'm so full from this.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't eat them if I had them.
Very, very filling. Very good, though. I'm feeling the heat all right. My nose is over here running. Excuse me.
That's what you eat again?
Yeah. I really enjoyed that.
Okay.
Salmon's tender.
So our next thing to try is going to be, what'd you say? Thai food?
Thai food.
Which we know is going to be hot.
I like the heat. I'm going home and take a nap. I got a headache still.
You got me dancing.
I waited too long to eat, like you said.
Yeah, you did. You should just have some breakfast. You didn't have coffee?
I had a little bit of coffee. I didn't even drink my whole cup of coffee.
You have coffee and that's it?
Yeah.
You got to eat your breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day.
I wasn't at that breakfast time.
My sleep patterns are off again.
Mine are jacked up, so that's why I was asleep.
I ain't gonna sleep till about 2 o'clock in the morning. And I slept till 8. Well, guys, this was a quick one. This brings us to the end of our video because somebody got food in their teeth. And they're talking about they gotta go pick it out.
Yep.
So, how rude.
I'm sorry.
We'll cut my video short because our teeth jacked up.
I'm sorry, guys.
So, we're going to cut it short. Hold on 1 second. We're going to need a little sip of this here Riesling.
This Riesling is so good. Not too sweet, not too dry.
It is really good. St. Michael's. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss another delicious bite here with Dee. Like, subscribe, share it with all your friends, people. And remember that I think you're capable of amazing things. Just believe. And until I see you and you see me, be beautiful, be blessed, be the best you can possibly be. Love you guys so, so much. Bye.
Bye.